Ubertile, technology for tiling. The Ubertile shower curbs are part of the Ubertile shower system. The curbs are simple to install, waterproof, and are available in a variety of sizes. This video will demonstrate how to properly install an Ubertile waterproof shower curb. These are the required tools and materials for the curb installation. To cut the curb, simply measure the shower curb and cut with a handsaw. Using the flat side of a trowel, spread thin-set mortar onto the underside of the curb. Using a 3/8 inch by 3/8 inch square notch trowel, spread thin-set mortar onto the subfloor where the curb will be installed. Apply a generous bead of Uberseal into the notch of the shower pan and where the curb will meet the wall. Push the curb firmly into place, setting into the fresh thinset and Uberseal. Spread the Uberseal so it covers a minimum 1 inch up the curb and 1 inch onto the shower base for a 2-inch total seam width. Wait 24 hours before tiling or flood testing. Ubertile offers multiple accessories such as waterproof niches, shower seats and more. For more information on the available accessories, visit www.ubertile.com. Waterproof, efficient and customizable, the Ubertile shower system is a reliable solution for building a waterproof shower.